I love this. Oh, they done it! The Han Moon! Good goddamn greetings, gremlins. It is me, Nevayavel. Today, we are going to be reacting to What It Sounds Like, official song clip from K-Pop Demon Hunters by Sony Animations. We watched through all of the songs from K-Pop Demon Hunters over on Twitch, where you could have been with us while we did that. And you still can for the next thing that we react to. Follow my Twitch, you silly little shithead. You could have joined us over on Twitch to watch these reactions with us, but that's okay because you're here now. Make sure to ring the bell so that you never miss an upload. Let's roll right on into it, shall we?
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I
Oh my god, she's gay. Oh, she was in the closet the whole time. Oh my god, she has a demon hand too. Wait, I didn't notice that before. She's got her own little demon hand. That's fucking sick. Anyway. Ooh. Oh, she's reaching their souls. She's doing the thing that they do. Oh. Oh my gosh, the like siren calls in the background. Oh. Oh my gosh, the audience of zombies. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, I love that. Because like the whole time they've had this motif in all of the songs about lies and like hiding things. And now she's actually able to be herself. And it turns out that the thing that she was the most ashamed of about herself is actually beautiful when she embraces it. Aw, she's queer. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? Oh my god. Oh, the harmony! Ooh! Wow, isn't this video great so far? I'm not from the past. Anyway, I got a couple of poster cards available in my merch shop if you're interested. The art is original and I'm pretty proud of them. If merch isn't your thing, but you still want to help support the channel, consider becoming a Gremster here on YouTube. For the mere cost of your soul, $4.99 per month, you'll get these amazing perks as well as additional weight on upcoming videos. Thank you! Now back to your regularly scheduled ritual. Yo! They got their soul weapons back! Let's go! Literally. Wait, hang on. Wait, I'm sorry. We listened to the demons, we let them get between us, and they literally have a bunch of demons in between them at the moment. Okay, iconic slay. These guys remind me of the demons from Headliners. Oh, they're reaching everybody! I love this. Oh, they done it! The Han Moon! Oh, they got an outfit change. Hello? Okay, not to be like a fucking nerd or whatever, but I am, so shut up. I love that they have the consistency of Mira always has like something hanging from her right hip, like either a chain or a scarf of some kind. Rumi always has like a double belt situation going on, or at least one really bulky belt more specifically. And then Zoe always has like some form of like dual strappy on her hips, which emulates the low-hanging space buns that she has. Oh my god, I love it. I love when there's a consistent like pattern to how characters are stylized in their outfits, because realistically, if they were real people, they would have those motifs just because that's how they like to express themselves. Gang gang. The power of friendship wins. It is giving a little bit MLP magic of friendship. Let's get the demons. But, you know, that's okay. Work. Also, is that a heart on Mira's choker? I love that. Okay, so far what I'm gathering from watching all of these is that I am Zoe. I want to be Mira. And that I just love Rumi's voice. That's what I got so far. Oh, look at, oh my god, they're getting everybody on their side again. Did his eyes twitch? Oh, okay, his eyes just narrowed. I thought he was like having an eye twitch. Ooh, there they go. Oh wait, Junu doesn't want to fight. Ooh, that was fucking baller. I know, I'm left wanting more. There is more? Okay. Well, weird, there was a lot more to this song, but it was literally the end of the movie. Oh, okay. So maybe they just cut it so that it's like not spoilered. Okay, honestly, if it's cut so that there's no spoilers for the end of the movie, then maybe that was a blessing in disguise. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I don't want to spoil the end of the movie. That's fine. That's fine. That's allowed. I did very much love this song. I don't think it was the strongest song in the whole thing. I don't want to say that it was like intentionally to make her gay, but like me as a queer person, I'm going to project my own personal experiences on the media that I consume, because that's how everybody experiences media, is by looking at it and comparing it to their own life. And for me, holy shit, does this kind of really hit home a little bit. Shout outs to my homies that were in the closet, or that are in the closet, or God forbid you had to go back in the closet, especially in the climate of today's world or whatever. But more than just queerness, because I don't want to relate queerness necessarily to being a scar on somebody, this could also very easily just be an allegory of mental health and struggling with that kind of thing, and really along the terms of that, the state's mindset of, if somebody asks you how you are, you just say that you're okay, even if you're not, because nobody actually cares. I appreciate that this is like a no more lying, like we need to actually talk about what's going on here. She's gay because we say so. Yeah, she's a bi icon. No one can take that from me. She's a bicon, if you will. That's all for today's video. I had a blast hanging out, and I hope you did too. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all the YouTuber stuff. You know what to do. Have a fantastic day, you freaky fly babies. And please don't cover up the color stuck inside your head. Let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Jesus Christ! I love you, bye! Fuck, God! Ugh. It scared me.